At the CES 2020, OnePlus is going to showcase a concept phone named OnePlus Concept One. Now there were some rumors that OnePlus would showcase a foldable phone, but today OnePlus gave us the first look at the phone via a teaser. It isn't going to be a foldable phone but a phone with an invisible rear camera. So what's the catch here? Well, OnePlus is teaming up with popular automobile manufacturer McLaren again to use the same glass technology in a smartphone that is found in high-end car sunroofs and aircraft windows. It is called the Electrochromic glass technology, and what OnePlus has done is that the company put the rear camera setup under this glass, and this makes the rear camera setup invisible. The camera lens only appears when you open the camera app, as an electrical signal is sent to the electrochromic glass for that. Some sketches of the phone were shared by OnePlus as well, which revealed the design of the phone. According to Wired.com, the OnePlus Concept One has a distinctive race car aesthetic. There is a papaya orange leather back and stitching along the edges. The strip of the black electrochromic glass is there in the middle. While the design is new, the specifications are not going to be different than the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition. The OnePlus Concept One has the same triple camera setup that includes a primary 48 megapixel lens, a secondary 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a third telephoto lens. In a talk with Wired, Pete Lau, the co-founder of OnePlus, said that the thickness was one issue with this phone because the company had to add an extra layer of electrochromic glass on the rear. But ultimately, it only added a tenth of a millimeter to the overall thickness of this concept phone in its current design. Well, OnePlus has made one thing pretty clear, that it is a concept phone, so the company has no plans to ship it anytime soon. Still, it is a great approach by the company because this way OnePlus can experiment with different designs and different technologies on its phones and get feedback from a group of users to see if it would be a good idea to make that product available to the consumers. What do you think of the OnePlus Concept One? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.